In the American West, water isn't just a resource, it's a battlefield. The Colorado River, once a symbol of abundance, is now a symbol of crisis. Droughts, dwindling snowpacks, and relentless heat are pushing communities, cities, and farms to their limits. At the heart of this struggle is a single crop alfalfa. Long celebrated as a staple for livestock feed, alfalfa consumes over 50% of the Colorado River's agricultural water. Fields stretch for miles, drinking millions of gallons, often while the rivers that feed them shrink. But what if the solution wasn't to stop farming altogether, but to rethink what we grow? Enter Moringa, often called the miracle tree. Native to South Asia and Africa, this drought-resistant tree thrives where most crops fail. Its deep taproots find hidden water, its leaves, pods, and seeds pack more nutrition than almost anything else in the plant kingdom, and it regenerates the soil it grows in. Today, we put the king of thirsty crops, alfalfa, head against an overlooked champion, Moringa. Can this miracle tree save water, sustain farms, and nourish communities in the American West? Let's find out. Alfalfa has long been the backbone of livestock feed in the West. But it comes at a cost. Each acre can require 4 to 5 acre-feet of water per year, roughly 1.3 million gallons. As droughts intensify and snowpacks shrink, this water simply isn't guaranteed anymore. Farmers face tough choices: plant thirsty crops, fallow fields, or seek alternatives. That's where Moringa comes in. Moringa oleifera is native to South Asia and parts of Africa. Unlike alfalfa, its deep taproots reach water far below the surface, allowing it to survive extended droughts. It requires a fraction of the irrigation, while still producing abundant leaves, pods, and seeds year-round. In water-scarce regions, this could be a game changer for agriculture. Alfalfa feeds animals. Moringa feeds people, and in more ways than one. Its leaves are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and E, minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron, and all 9 essential amino acids, something almost unheard of in the plant world. A single handful of dried leaves can provide a child with an entire day's worth of nutrition. Pods, flowers, and seeds are also edible, offering protein, oils, and even water purification properties. For farmers, Moringa isn't just food, it's income. Local markets in Africa, Asia, and now pilot programs in the US are creating opportunities for small-scale farmers to sell leaves, seeds, and powder. Women, in particular, are finding independence and economic empowerment through Moringa cultivation. Imagine a family in Arizona or California harvesting moringa leaves for local markets, supplementing school lunch programs, and feeding livestock, all while using a fraction of the water alfalfa demands. The economic and nutritional impact is profound. Regenerative farming and climate resilience. Moringa doesn't just feed people. It restores the land. Its fallen leaves decompose, returning nutrients to the soil naturally. Its deep roots stabilize fragile terrain, prevent erosion, and even support nearby crops in agroforestry systems. In hot, arid climates, Moringa provides shade for vegetables and reduces water evaporation, creating a microclimate that helps other plants survive. Unlike alfalfa, which often depletes soil nutrients, Moringa actively improves the land it grows on, making farming more resilient and sustainable. In an era of climate unpredictability, this tree is more than a crop. It's a tool for regeneration, a way to adapt to harsher conditions without draining precious water resources. Challenges and adoption in the West. Of course, Moringa is not without its challenges. Unlike alfalfa, it is sensitive to frost. Young seedlings must be protected in colder months, limiting planting in northern regions. Market adoption is still emerging, and education is key. Farmers must learn how to harvest, dry, and process leaves safely. Yet pilot programs in California, Arizona, and New Mexico are showing promise. Researchers are experimenting with Moringa as a low-water alternative for livestock feed, while also exploring its potential in human nutrition programs. Transitioning a farm from alfalfa to Moringa requires adaptation, but the potential rewards: water savings, soil restoration, and diversified income make it a risk worth exploring. Water, saving potential water, is the lifeblood of the West. Replacing even a portion of alfalfa fields with Moringa could save billions of gallons each year. An acre of alfalfa can consume up to 1.3 million gallons, whereas Moringa requires minimal irrigation once established. Imagine entire valleys where water once poured into thirsty alfalfa fields, instead sustaining communities, wildlife, and regenerative farms. This isn't just conservation. It's a blueprint for climate-resilient agriculture. Farmers could grow Moringa for feed, food, and local markets, all while reducing pressure on rivers and aquifers. In a region defined by scarcity, Moringa offers abundance in unexpected ways. Scaling up and future prospects. The real question is, can Moringa scale? Early trials suggest yes. Pilot programs across the Southwest are experimenting with irrigation techniques, companion planting, and crop rotation strategies to integrate Moringa into existing farms. Beyond the West, the lessons learned here could inspire smart agriculture worldwide, from Africa to India to arid regions across the globe. Moringa is proving that a single tree can support communities, protect the land, and conserve water. The future of farming may not lie in trying harder or using more water. It may lie in planting smarter, choosing crops that work with nature. And Moringa is leading the way. Thanks for watching The Soil Story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore solutions for our planet's most pressing challenges.